Kevin O'Leary is here, ladies and gentlemen. I'm proud to announce that he's sitting next to me. What's the negative credit rating mean for you? Are you dismissing this completely?
No, not at all. Not at all. I'll tell you why this matters to every single taxpayer in America. The cost of borrowing just went up a little bit more. That's what these rating agencies do. They basically tell the whole world who are bond buyers of our debt, no matter what the duration is, it's just a little bit, excuse my French, a little bit crappier.
Yeah, but will rates continue to go up?
I think so. Now, this is a big bet everybody's trying to decide on, trying to divine which way the Fed is going to go. I think personally where we're going is another 50 basis points early next year in 25 increments. I'm speculating, of course, so for me, the terminal rate will be 6%, which, by the way, we've had many good economies in over the decades at 6%. But that also tells me to keep, I just made a big allocation to a shorter duration, single A corporates and above at 5.25 last week since we last talked. And I kept half of it liquid in short duration, above 5% as well. I'm trying to hedge my bets, Stuart. Sure. I don't know. So I'm trying to say I'll lock in some for 24 months, but I'm not long duration yet. I'm not convinced the Fed is finished raising rates.
I'm into a fund that pays me over 5% consistently, no risk.
That's the easy way to do it. I like to make it complicated and choose my own security.
Yeah, but you're so sophisticated, you see. That's the thing. So let me get to this, because this is about sophistication. You say people are wasting up to 20% of their money buying stupid stuff. Your words, stupid stuff. Like what?
Like stuff you don't wear, you don't need, you don't use. I have done this countless times with millennials that, I teach a lot of cohorts now. Recently Harvard, I've done MIT, Temple, Notre Dame. I say, okay, everybody, two of you, let's go into your dorm or into your home and let's look at the stuff that you've got sitting there. Let's just do that. Let's have some fun. I can identify 20 to 30% crap, like 10 pairs of sneakers and 14 jeans and 60 T-shirts and 40 hats. Why? Why do you buy that crap? Is my whole point. You don't need it.
American society is geared towards consumption, especially younger people.
I'm telling younger people, why do you go on credit card debt at 23% interest on something you only wore once? Because it's usually in these areas. Either they're eating out too much, buying coffee at $5.50. I take a lot of criticism for that, but I'm willing to keep saying it. But mostly it's around clothing and sometimes experiences that they buy that aren't worth paying that much for.
Every day I bring in my own breakfast. I think I've saved $50,000 over my 50 years in television.
And the
by
problem
not
is, Stuart, you can afford breakfast now, but you forgot that.
Okay, I'm going to change the subject. Let's talk cryptos, shall we?
Yeah.
The news around BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF. Now, that's really raised prices. And we've got this analyst calling this is the nuclear winter for anyone who doubted Bitcoin and Ethereum. Well,
it's
are you
not
back
just, not just those two. Solana and lots of other of these, fringe cryptos have had huge moves in the last week. This is the anticipation of finally licensing a Bitcoin ETF, which I'm not as optimistic will happen overnight, but it does show you that the age of the crypto cowboy, the FTX and the Binance, those days are over. And then you've got this pending announcement. It's rumored, but it's very close. This month, in the next 10 days, they will announce M2 in Abu Dhabi, the largest exchange ever that's regulated, with billions backing it and tied to huge financial institutions, so that finally, unfortunately, no American can register on there. But really what they're going after is Binance will probably lose half of its accounts to the new M2, because now you can go off something that the SEC is suing and go onto a compliant exchange that's backed by billions of dollars and huge financial institutions.
There's going to be a huge plus for cryptos.
Oh, it's going to be huge. And I am on my way. After I leave here, I'm going to go to shoot some watch stuff at Las Vegas during the F1. I'm going right to Abu Dhabi to be there for that opening. I so much want to be an investor in that exchange. That is going to be the exchange worldwide.
Not bad, Kevin, not bad. I think you persuaded me.
Well, I'm just disclosing the truth. That's it.
You're a fine man. Thank you very much indeed. All right.